The sea cucumber might sound tasty, but it is one of the ocean's weirdest creatures. Fact 1, they breathe through their butts. Yes, you heard that right. Fact 2, sea cucumbers can eject their guts as a defense mechanism. Fact 3, they recycle ocean floor sediment acting like underwater vacuum cleaners. Fact 4, some species can liquefy their bodies to squeeze into tight spaces. Fact 5, sea cucumbers are harvested for food and traditional medicine, especially in Asia. Like ocean oddballs, like and subscribe for more bizarre biology.